Back on site, our very own solar installation is getting underway. And now knowing all of the dangers, we take no risks and call in the top guns at Gippsland Solar. A system of brackets and rails are clamped onto the sheet metal of our roof, where wiring is next threaded along electrical conduit and connected into each of the Solar Edge power optimizers. It's these power optimizing units that turn our solar panels into intelligent panels, with individualised real-time adjustments of current and voltage to each unit to help each panel adjust to the sun and the shade for their precise positions on the roof. This means our solar system will be able to harvest and extract up to 25% more solar power throughout the day. And it's innovations like this that are made possible thanks to Solar Edge, the global leaders in solar power technology.
The panels on the roof, they don't all operate at the same rate, and they don't all produce the same amount of power. So an optimizer really allows the panels to produce at their maximum, and they're not weakened by weaker elements on the roof. And you might say, well, I might have a perfect north roof and and I don't have any elements. Well, there's more to it than that. There's lots of things that impact one panel from the next.
With around 360 approved and pending patents in solar technology, this multi-award winning company supplies to 120 countries around the globe. And at the core of every solar power system is the all-important inverter.
Well, in its basic concept, an inverter basically converts the solar power that's generated from the sun and transfers it or converts it into usable power for the home. Traditionally, it was seen as the heart of the system, but it is becoming more of the brain because inverters are becoming much more powerful in what they can do. It's not just about energy conversion anymore, it's about monitoring, but it's also about getting into batteries and storing batteries and smart energy management. And really that's where this is where the inverter industry is evolving to.
In helping to create their vision for the smart homes of the future, it's Solar Edge with their 24/7 real-time monitoring platform that, most importantly, gives you ultimate control over your home's energy consumption. For more information about this series, visit www.topproperty.tv.